Hello guys, welcome back to another video of our Python series. So in this video we are gonna do some questions based on for loop. As we have covered for loops in the last video, so we are going to do some questions on for loops so we can better understand how for loops work and how we can write some good programs using for loops. So first question is, what will be the output of this program? So it says for I in range 3 times and printing hello. So pause the video and guess the output and then you can play it again. So my guess is it will print hello 3 times. So let's run and check it. Okay, it is printing hello 3 times. Okay. So second program is for I in range 2, 7, 2, then print I. So what's happening here is its starting point is 2. You can still pause the video and guess the output here, and ending point is 7. So it means it will run till 6. As we have remember we have already discussed about it that Python runs just less, like one less before. Just cut this part, dude. Okay, and after that we can see that it's taking 2 steps. It's adding 2 to the value. So my guess will be it's printing 2, 4, then 6. Okay, so let's check. So it's printing 2, 4, 6 here. Okay, so let's move on to the next question here now. Print all even numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so for that we can write for I in range, and you can still pause the video and write on your own to check your knowledge. Then if you like get the wrong answer, you can watch the video. Then 22, sorry, not 20, 2, 21 and 2. So what's happening here is it will print 2, and because of this it will print till 20. Starting point is 2 and ending point is 21, and it will add 2 in every step, or you can say it will skip 2 steps every time. So if you print this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and till 20. Okay, so we got it right. And let's move on to the last question. Print each character of a username. So let's first take a variable for input and username, and for char in name print char. We have already done like program like this in the last video. If you guys didn't have watched the last video, do check it out for better understanding of for loops. And now if we run this and I say White Fortress Academy or cybersecurity, let's just write cybersecurity. So as you can see, it printed like this. I'll use something smaller for the better understanding. As I tabbed Sam, it printed SAM in different line. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.